class. So that's the whole, right? About what fraction of the class was absent that evening? So what fraction was actually absent that evening? What is the fraction?
1/3.
About 1/3. Because it's about, the fraction is 12 of the 36, 35, right? 12 over 35 is the actual fraction. They say about, when they say about, you know they're trying to get you to something that you can reduce. So we're going to pretend that that's 12 of 36, which is about 1/3. See, because 12 goes into 12 one time and into 36 3 times. So 12 over 36 is about 1/3 of the class was absent. And so you can get a better picture, can't you? If I say 1/3 of the class was absent, then to say 12 people were absent out of the class. So you can get a picture. If I say 1/3, I say, okay, if 1/3 was absent, we still had 2/3 there. You see. So let's say if there were 27 people in the class, how many people would have been absent if 1/3 was absent? If there are 27 people in the class, think, if 1/3 is absent, I do not want you to write it down. If 1/3 is absent out of 27, how many are absent? 1/3 of 27 is how many?
About 8.
1/3 of 27? 9. Because what are there 3 of in 27? See? That's how you have to think. 3 times 9 is 27. So that means there are 3 9s in 27. So if I break up 27 into 3 pieces, each piece would have to have 9 in it. You see? I want you to think of fractions all like that because that's what it's talking about. You see? If I say 150 people are in the class and 1/3 of them were absent, how many people were absent? 50 people were absent, you see?
Yeah, 150.
Because at 150, what are there 3 of? There are 3 50s. Put a star on that man's forehead.
Yeah.
Let's think again, okay? I say there are 12 people in the class and 1/4 of them were absent. How many were absent? 3. Got it, man. Got it. If he got it, we can move on.
Yeah.
Questions? Let's look then at the fraction review on page 133. And I want you to do numbers 3 through 5. And I will give you until 6 o'clock. If you need help, ask your table mate. If you don't have a table mate, you better move to one. If you don't have a smart one, you might want to move to. You might want to move to a senior's table. 3 through 5.
divided it at the end.
By what?
Huh?
What did you divide it by?
Like I made them all, brought them up all to the same denominator and then leave the top.
Divided by the denominator?
Made whatever that. I made 40.
Oh, you divided all the fractions up here.
Yeah. That's the key.
Yeah, I forgot that was supposed to use. I was sitting here thinking like,
Shit, I just lined them up and then like added it up. I moved on though. I said fuck that.
I know that's how I am like right now. Like, how do you know this? Just for extra practice. That's how I am.
I didn't know that.
That's crazy, bro. Yeah.
Man, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I don't know no first doing that.
No, you can't reduce it.
Everything has to be relevant.
What'd you do to minus,
What's that?
8 from 20?
No, but that's normally take them, that's what they take
Number
from
4.
here.
Oh yeah, that's like going together.
You gotta minus the 8.
The 8?
730.
Which number you on?
Oh.
Yeah.
And we subtract that.
Yeah, this is what you do. It's one
What
fifth.
age you subtract?
Right here, look, check that. I'll tell you right here, yeah, you put 1/8, right? And then they wanna know how much of that is 720, so put 720 on the other side for the whole number, and you multiply diagonal like this, and then you divide this way.
720 minus.
Yeah, let me show you.
Yeah, write it down.
Man, alright, check it out.
It's
It
720
says
minus
1/8,
that
right?
fraction,
1/8 for the
That
federal.
fraction is
Of
they take from it.
720, that's how much you make. So it'd be
Well, we
blank
have seven,
over
just do normal.
720.
Yeah.
Like this. See that right there?
Take away.
Question one.
It is over us.
Yeah.
What's the answer?
This is
We
proportion.
ain't got that, we ain't in proportion. You
Check
just
it out.
know. But you in a whole nother.
But look,
Hey, don't
listen to me though. Check it out. Alright, check my answer.
Okay.
Check my answer. This is 720. And then I gotta divide it by this. Now, whatever this is,
I know that's what you have to do.
it'll be looking like that.
Because like,
ANT.
once you get that,
72.
but I just didn't know
It's
what
lines,
you're supposed to
it's
put it
not
over.
gonna be 72.
You're supposed to put it over the
And but
same
there's
fraction.
no, there's no
That's it.
90, but that's why I came up with 90, but there's no 90 for the answer.
How'd you get 40?
Yeah, I don't
Because
know.
40
It's still
took
here,
away.
though.
Because he's taking them all now.
Man, I got 144.
144, on what?
Oh, actually, no, it's 1/5. I'm tripping. Miss Alfredo's withholding,
17 take away
Alfredo's
40,
employee
40 is what we
withholding
take.
1/5 of
23.
the wages for federal tax. It's not 1/8,
No,
it's
but-
1/5.